If you like the lecture, don't forget to like and subscribe so you will get notified for all the new lectures. Hello and welcome to Information Security Career Step-by-Step Guide. My name is Muhammad Atif, and this course will be a guide for people who want to move to information security career, but they don't know the right steps to achieve their goals. What should they do to become an information security specialist? Is it just the certificate? Do they just need to have a certificate to be able to find a job, a decent job in information security? Or do you need something else? Actually, we need something else to be able to find a career easily in information security. I'm providing a lot of training that will qualify you for a professional certificate like CISSP or CISM and other type of information security certificate. But actually, getting a certificate is quite important, but it's not enough to let you work or move to the information security career. So what I noticed is that many people, they got the knowledge from the training, they understand the concept, they get certified, which is very important in our field. But when they end up in an interview, they cannot explain how to implement or how to explain the implementation of those knowledge in real life. So for instance, if you took a training and you went to an interview and you get a question about how to start from scratch, you're going to get hired in this organization, we need to implement an information security management system. How to do that? How to start? What are the steps, the right process? You're going to, since you went through a training, you'll understand the security definitions and terminology and concept, but how to do that realistically? What is the first step? And this is what I'm gonna try to explain and go through during this course. So I'm gonna explain to you in a real environment, in a real organization, how to implement information security from scratch, to follow the standard, best practice, compliance. And it will not just be terminology or definitions. No, I'm gonna show you realistically how to start, what are the documents that we are using, how to fill a document, what is an information asset register, what is a risk assessment and how to do it, what is a business continuity. Maybe in the training you already went through those definitions, but you don't know how to do it realistically. What is a policy and procedures and how to write a policy and procedures and to make sure it's get updated frequently. So the objective of this training is to relate the terminology and definition and concept with the real life implementation in a way that if you went to an interview, you will be able to understand or you will be able to explain how you can utilize your knowledge in a real environment. So it's going to be a very realistic training. I'm going to share with you a lot of resources, and I'm going to share with you also some assignments that will enhance your skills. But the objective of this training is that to get the real knowledge. So even if you are certified, it's good to go through those lectures to understand those knowledge that you went through the training or the certificate, how you can utilize them. So let's start and wish you all the best.